Hey everyone, what's up? I hope everybody's doing okay. Today I have something new I've been working on. So it's sort of a video maintenance vlog because today I'm changing my extruder. As you can see in the old one, it's kind of dirty and messed up, and the new one is all brand new. Because what I was seeing actually is that I had a really big color differentiation in the color. In the next photo, you can actually clearly see that there is a difference in the color of the filament. It's way more or less blue than it is on the spool. So yeah, that was quite obvious that it had to be the extruder that was underperforming. So yeah, during that I ordered one from obviously the Bamboo store, and when it got in, I started to replace it right away. So I recorded it a little bit on the back end. I'll be showing it to everybody here in the top section, just as an extra reference. But I got a few questions. What I was also willing to talk about is for my YouTube channel, because I have a lot of automations in place, especially for pulling the data from the printer itself with some Python scripting. Then the Python scripting will actually process the video, add some images to my reference, and or even add a lot of effect and text or whatever preferences I've previously set up in the settings. What it then does, will upload it to YouTube via the API. At the description, it will also include a specific date that I mentioned. So, for example, tomorrow, a specific date. When that date is reached, the video will be, of course, scheduled, go live on the mentioned time window that I've set up for all of my videos. So that is actually helping me a lot in setting up my YouTube channel, doing some automations, because as you may have seen in the background, we have two young kids that need a lot of attention, and of course my lovely missus that I also need to pay some attention to, and we love dogs. So yeah, big family guy and a very busy life. So I hope you all briefly enjoyed this brief vlog of mine, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in the next video. So thank you, goodbye.